Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa, and in this video we're going to talk through how I've completed this Blackberry with colour pencils. So although this is a very black subject, we are going to be using quite a lot of colour just to bring out some of those highlights and the shadows. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. And if you feel like you'd like to give this one a go, I have some other food related tutorials on Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description to Patreon and also my website where you can see all of the available tutorials. Most of them are wildlife animals, which I specialise in. So let's get started. So this is the reference photo that I'm using. So for all of the tutorials you get given the reference photo, the line art and the material list of all the colours and everything that you need to complete this one by yourself. So first of all, what I'm doing is going in with a really sharp white pencil to put in these little white hairs that we can see. You can use an embossing tool, but for the sake of this tutorial and for beginners, I'm just using a sharp white pencil just to help to indent the page so we can keep this nice and white. And then what we need to do for texture like this is just break down one little section at a time. So you're just going through completing one little sort of circle at a time, and you just want to pay attention to the colors that you can see underneath the black. So for the base layer, we'll put in some of the cold gray too, and then start to get darker with some of the black, and then have a look at the colors that you can see. There are a lot of red, orange, green tones that you can sort of see as the berry is clearly on a vine, so there's other green leaves and things around, so you can see some of those green tones behind. So adding some of that under the black will help to blend the paper down, add some more layers, and also just ensure that it's not so black, because if you just add in black it can look a little bit flat. So putting some of that color underneath can really help to elevate the shadows. Make sure to have a look at your reference photo the full way through the piece, just because you need to have a look at where you can see those little bits of light that are hitting each of the sections. Making sure to go around these with your black and coloured pencils and just keeping them as white as you can. Some of them are more of a grey tone, so I do go in with some of the cold grey to give it a little bit of colour, but you need to make sure that you're not going into these with your coloured pencils because it's really hard to get up, and having the lights and the dark tones in your piece is what's going to make it look realistic. So even if we went through with no colour at all, as long as you're ensuring that the lights and the dark tones are correct, that's what's going to make it look realistic. And when you're putting your layers down, it's important to go in with really light layers. This will ensure that you're able to put down a lot of different layers, which will make it easier to blend your pencil together when you're becoming closer to the end of each of the sections. So here I've gone down with some of the cold grey, burnt ochre, light ultramarine, earth green yellowish, go through with the black, and then also blending some of these pencils back over, including some of the grey. So adding all of these layers, adding all of these colours will just add to the piece and allow you to mix these colours together to get the colour that you need and the values that you need for your piece. But the main thing is just to remember to take your time. This does take a long time. Colour pencil is a medium that is very slow, so make sure to step back and have a look at your reference photo and at your piece constantly throughout it so that you're getting the right values, you're on the right track. But if any of it seems really difficult or you'd like to give this a go yourself, you can jump on over to Patreon. This is a full real-time tutorial. You get given the reference photo, line art, material list, and full real-time videos so that you can follow along and complete this, and it's all broken down, making it a lot easier for you to complete yourself. I really hope you like this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.